Just got done moving this as he's heading back with the loader. I also have that 61 propped up, but now I need to dig out the rest of the stuff. I need to grab some of this, pull it out. Let's see here. I got to check the doors. I gotta check everything in here, in honesty. So, gotta take some stuff off, things here and there. Oh man, both the chrome pieces in the back are broken. Well, I'll keep them. Well, maybe. Hold on here. Yeah, because I remember I was working on this last year. Well, because I was crawling underneath. There was a bull snake here, rattlesnake there, rattlesnake there. I remember where they were at. Oh man, it's kind of relief that it's out in the open now. So let's see here. Oh, tail lights are good on this. I'll take the deal off though. I'll have to take the front clip off of this. So I think it's just barely attached on. So I'm 100% sure that this is a 46. And Tucker loves his 46 vehicles. Something about him. Of course, I love 46s as well. But I'll have to see if I can get that out. I don't know what that's to. I'll have to see if this front clip's attached or not. But that roof's going to be interesting to pop out. I mean, a little extra work, but she's got one hell of a kink there. Because next month too, I'm going to start popping the dents out of the roofs, since I got that that one jack. But I gotta service it and put hydraulic fluid in it. Well, guess I better start taking stuff out of this and see what there is, because I'm going to try to get this done today. Yeah. Probably best take this off too. Well, I guess enough gabbing. Time for work. Oh, that's a thick door. Look at that. Well, the fruit of my labors today is done. Went better than I expected. When I picked this up Thursday, which will be a video for Sunday, I'll have to, I'm just picking up some iron. But as you see, Special Deluxe. So she's on. She's a little rough, but 100% fixable. Was an interesting job. I'm gonna have to put a strap down because there's really nothing holding on the front clip except for stuff to the body. This really reminds me of Tucker's 46 5-window. His Super Deluxe, and this is a Special Deluxe. At least I think it's called a Super Deluxe for its 46. I don't know. I would call it the Beast, but anyways. So was interesting. 2 bolts in the front, bolts in the middle. That's 4 on each side. So we're already going up to 10. Let's see here. Oh, I don't think, yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6, that's 10. 11, 12. And then 4 more. 12, geez, that's a lot of bolts. And then 2 more in the back. Damn, these things got a lot of bolts on them. Wasn't too bad. I had 1 stripped. And as you saw, I missed 2 in the back on the sedan, which was these 2 right here. I kind of got that one down. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holding it down for transport, and it will stay there. I've already done my juggle test, and it'll stay. I gotta pop a few holes for, well, we gotta pop a few holes and make some different structures to attach onto the sedan frame. But all in all, that's pretty good. She's a beauty, isn't she? Car felt happy. I'm not gonna lie, the car really felt happy when I got this going, when it was gone. But now got a lot of stuff to fix on top, on the bottom, the rot. I don't know how long it's been sitting on the ground, but I checked a lot of the structure stuff. Only 2 spots need to be redone for structure, but of course, we'll go over it with a fine-tooth comb, because this has room for a big block. Look at that. And that frame is thick. Don't need to reinforce it. It's perfect for some sort of a big block 4-speed. Man, take these off, change them. Of course, definitely do a different battery tray. Have to MacGyver something up around the steering column, because I think the sedan had a straight 6, because I found a valve cover for a straight 6. So, and I don't know what kind of top end model this was in the sedan, but it doesn't matter. So I guess have to shave, or at least make some, well, make some custom wheel wells here on both sides to accommodate whatever Tucker wants to put in this thing. But yeah, look how big that is. Don't really need to shave the firewall or anything, at least I don't think. But definitely gonna have to get something a little different for that steering column there. I'm happy. Now I know this car is happy, because I'll pick it up Thursday. So now I'm gonna go check that Buick here, and I gotta take some pictures. But yeah, once again, Special Deluxe. So Tucker's thinking about saving this. He's not sure. We've been by this quite a few times. I think it's like a 55, 56. I'm not sure in the year, so please correct me if I'm wrong. It's a 2-door sedan special. But the only thing that's going on with it is that there's no back right fender here, and the side skirt, and the excuse me, the door. So yeah, I mean, we can make another panel, just make a pattern on that side, flip it and put it over here. Take a heck of a lot more work on this than Jeanette. Buick. Don't know what engine is in it. It's got hubs front and back. I'm scared to open this. I'm actually scared to open it. Really can't find no decal to see if it's like a V8, V6, straight 8, straight 6. Oh, there's the door. Skinned. Greatly skinned. That'll be something to fix. Is it? Looks like it is a 3-speed. Okay. Yeah, Buick Special. Yeah, I can see the extra pedals down there. This might weigh a little bit. This also might be fun to get off the trailer too. And the door. Like the main majority of the doors there. Yeah. I've never done a door skin before. Same kind of concept, but make a pattern on that side, flip it, and be extra careful. Match it up with the body lines.
Unknown caller.
Huh? So that was an important call. I almost hung up on it. So yeah, Tucker wants to save this. I gotta take a lot of pictures, gotta get a lot of these weeds down. But he's still trying to decide if he wants to save it or not. Get a lot of these weeds down so I can take the proper picture. Because we're actually almost done grabbing them, but this might be an extra. That Dodge was unexpected, but that Dodge, yeah, because all of you will see that Friday. But alrighty. So I better put this down, get some pictures taken. So thank you very much for the support. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. We're working on stuff. As you can see, I'm gonna work on the other things. I'm gonna go ahead and start busting my chops on the 58 Fairlane next month, and kind of gradually go over to some other vehicles over the next months. But I want to do a hard focus on the 58 Fairlane, and I'm going to have to move it so that way I could get the frame off another spot. So y'all have a good night, take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again.